Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to this quick vertical explainer on what people are calling the EV tire tax. Look, if you've had to replace the rubber on an electric vehicle recently, you know exactly the kind of pain I'm talking about.
Which brings up the big question. EV tires definitely cost more, but are they actually worth the extra money? We've all felt the sting of those higher upfront costs at the shop, but let's actually break down what you're really paying for here.
First up, we've got to talk about the weight. Electric vehicles are significantly heavier, like often by thousands of pounds, just because of those massive battery packs. So to handle that crazy load safely, EV tires literally have to be built with reinforced sidewalls. They need a much stronger overall construction just to carry the car without buckling. Next up is this absolutely crucial engineering trick, low rolling resistance. Now, why does that actually matter to you? Well, it cuts down on friction, which helps your EV use way less energy just to keep moving forward. And that means you travel farther, squeezing the absolute maximum range out of every single charge. It's a real game changer. But hey, it's not just about weight and range. You know how EVs don't have those roaring gas engines? That makes everyday road noise incredibly noticeable. So manufacturers actually bake noise reduction tech right into the tire itself to give you that whisper quiet cabin. Oh, and because EVs deliver that instant, rocket-like torque the second you hit the pedal, these tires have special treads designed to manage that sudden force and actually keep you gripped to the road. So it really comes down to this trade-off. Yes, EV tires absolutely demand a higher upfront cost. There is zero denying that. But you're trading that initial price tag for way better efficiency, a much more comfortable quiet ride, and noticeably superior performance out there on the road. Which brings us to our final takeaway. As the experts put it, these are, quote, not just an upgrade, they're designed to help you get the most from your EV. It's highly specialized engineering for a highly specialized machine. So the next time you're standing there at the tire shop, are you going to view that extra cost as a tax or an investment?